Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials, Wi-Fi and power, and then plug the Google TV device into an HDMI port. Once connected, switch the TV to that HDMI input so you see the pairing screen. This matters because the device needs internet to download updates and apps. You should have your Google account and phone nearby. The on-screen QR code makes pairing faster. Make sure to note the Wi-Fi network name and password, because that's how the device registers to your account and settings. Once paired, sign into your Google account so recommendations, watch list, and apps sync. This is why personalization improves over time. During setup, choose language, enable or disable data sharing, and select your preferred streaming apps. You can install Netflix, YouTube, and others now. Make sure to allow app updates. This keeps security and playback smooth. If you use a phone, enable casting from apps. This lets you send video directly to the TV without switching inputs, which saves time and keeps things consistent. To finish, tweak display and audio settings for peak performance. Adjust picture mode, resolution, and volume leveling so content looks and sounds right. Create profiles, set parental controls if needed, and choose default apps for voice and playback actions. Once done, explore voice search and shortcuts. They speed navigation. If something goes wrong, try a restart first. If that fails, check HDMI connections, ensure firmware is current, and use factory reset as a last resort. It resolves most persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.